Do we see this? It's raining cats and dogs out. And this is after I blew out my hair. So I have to live with this. This is the hair that I have to live with today. Cannot believe the rest of this week is going to rain all the way up until I think Saturday, and then it's supposed to be sunny on Saturday, and that's when I go into work for a double shift. I'm bringing you with me. I have some errands to do. I have to pick something up at my P.O. box, and then I have to drop something off, and then I have to there are a couple of things. Can you believe for the Sephora sale I forgot to replenish my cotton pads? What was I thinking? So I have to go to Sephora and replenish my cotton pads. The Shiseido ones, those are amazing. I love them. Okay, today is not going the way I planned it. I think it's late already. I believe my boyfriend is on his way home, and I have just enough time to make a quick dinner, quick healthy dinner. Yeah. This old man thinks I'm crazy. He's like, what is this woman doing? Can't figure out this weather. Raining yesterday all through the night into the morning. I have a project that I have to do. I had no sunlight, and then I decided, okay, I'm gonna do some errands. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and do the vlogging. Oh, I got my hair done again. You know, these waves the past 2 times are slightly different, better than when I do it, but that's the back. I don't know. She did put product in my hair, but and apparently she does color as well. So I took her business card. Really sweet girl. I have to say that everybody that works there is pleasant, and I mean, anyone who can blow dry my hair, period, I appreciate it, because if you've ever watched any of my past videos, I think maybe 2 summers ago, and even last summer possibly, it's like the weather in New York when it gets humid. Oh yeah, that's always fun. Hold on. And it happened again. Okay. And I've got you too far. How does the barrage oil look? My hands don't look. I got a nail manicure the other day. I took off the kiss nails, but I bought a new set of kiss nails because what the hell? I thought I was recording the whole time and I wasn't. Oh my god. So I'm on my way to Dry Bar right now. I am contemplating going over to H&M afterwards because I have these store credits. Back in December, I bought a few things. I didn't like them. I ended up returning them, got a store credit, and one card has $75, another card has $89, or maybe it's $65. Yeah, so I don't want that to go to waste, and I need new basics for the summer. You know, V-neck t-shirts, tank tops, camisoles. What else do I want? Maybe a couple of sundresses. And I don't want to spend a lot of money because I'm not really happy with where I am in my weight. And if you were to go back into my previous videos from like 2 years ago, you'll see the difference. So today is 81 degrees. Wow, it's 81. Okay, it doesn't feel like 81. I'm wearing this beautiful blouse by Zara. I love these sleeves and I love the way it wraps, and then I also love the fact that there's a bow that wraps again. Yeah, so the bow covers the bloat so well. Love that, love that, love that. I would love to park in the shade. Update, let's see, I did another set of kiss nails. Unfortunately, I had to get this French manicure, and I chose a square this time just because, I don't know, I feel like it's, if you guys want to see how I apply this, just leave it in the comments below. I can show you how I do it, because I actually make it look pretty natural, I think. You know? I'm also thinking about maybe getting a set of lashes, but if I do that, it's in the complete opposite direction of H&M. So I have to pick and choose my battles wisely today, because I'm trying to navigate around traffic, which is the lesser of the two evils. All right, I'll keep you guys up to speed. Oh, I didn't do an outfit of the day for you guys in the bathroom. I didn't have to go. So, oh God, I love my hair today. The guy that does my hair, he's amazing. He was the first guy that did my hair. I am so feeling this hair today. I'm so glad that I got him. Oh my God, he's amazing. Mentioned my top from Zara. Wearing it with my Henri Bendel, my Michael Kors watch, Tiffany bracelets, and I also have this pill bracelet that I picked up from HRH collection. I really wanted it for the longest time. Chloe sunglasses, what do you call these? Chanel earrings. I'm wearing distressed denim from Old Navy and my Forever 21 Mules to go with the red. I just got a text that my Synthroid is ready to be picked up. So I think I only have enough time to pass by a Starbucks, and I'm picking up that refresher because I'm very thirsty. Get my, oh, let me see if I can make an appointment. I got the chicken protein wrap with peanut coconut sauce. It's really good. I just need to eat this one roll. So good. Look at how healthy this is, right? I was going to tell you how this mount, I figured out there's a knob behind the magnetic stick thing, and when it just dawned on me, lefty loosey, righty tighty, and that's something my dad taught me in construction with like bolts and screws, and when you want to loosen something you go to the left, when you want to tighten something you go to the right. And something made me feel to see if there was a knob behind that little magnetic platform, and there was. So far I haven't had any issues. Oh, isn't my hair beautiful? Surprisingly, I haven't had the desire to like run my fingers through it. I think it's just because I really love the way it's falling. I'm just kind of like going like this. This is so good. The ratio of chicken to vegetable and lettuce. What does it have in here? It's got ginger cream cheese and chili tortilla, chili lime slaw instead of coleslaw, chili lime slaw, and grilled white chicken meat. Oh my goodness, it's just perfect. Oh, it's got one, no, 1.5 cups of vegetables. Is that even possible? Oh, hello, because I have cucumbers on the side. Hibiscus refresher. This is the best summer drink ever. Okay, I'm here at the pharmacy to pick up my Synthroid. I want to see if I can bring you into the nail aisle to show you the selection where I get my nails from. Okay, let's go. So here's the nail selection. The ones that I prefer to go to are the ones that say better than the salon. It'll say it right here. See, it's ultra flexible, no bubbles, 10 times stronger. And this one too is good. These two are the best. And the reason I say that is because when your nail grows out by the cuticle, it's not so obvious. These are pretty, but from what I remember using years ago, when they grew out, I think that they were, I think it was obvious. I think that they're thicker, I'm not sure. Where are those nails that look like my tumbler? Oh, here they are. Here are the nails that look like my tumbler. I was tempted. I think these are very pretty too. And these are the mermaid nails that I liked. Oh, also, so if you look up here, you're gonna see M. That's medium length, that's what I'm wearing. And then they have short. They also have real short. Where's long? The one that I wore the last time. Let's see if I can find that one. No, I can't seem to find it, but it'll just have an L for long. And yeah, nice selection. You know, for special occasions, I think. So that was the nail selection. What did you think about it? But those nails are cute, right? I like them. I think that they're a great quick fix when you're in between. Like, I had an event to go to, threw these puppies on, and they were a lifesaver, I'll tell you that much. I'm distracted because I just realized I put my phone upside down, and that means that I'm going to have to see this thing gets in the way. So annoying. Why do I do this? Why do I do these things? Oh, love my hair. One quick thing I wanted to ask you. You see the difference? I don't know if I should keep it like this. Does this bother you if I go like this? I mean, does that bother you guys? You'll tell me in the comments if it bothers. I feel like I'm more centered now. Maybe I should leave it like this. I don't think this is like so obnoxious. The color I'm wearing on my lips, isn't that a great color? I picked it up from YSL the day that I went to go get my cotton pads. Okay, really quickly, I'm making reference to a lot of clips that I did throughout the month of May after, actually while my mom was still in New York. Oh, I just dragged, I have my phone plugged in. Ugh. Okay. While my mom was still in New York, and then thereafter, this is the very end of May. But, so I don't know if I'm going to insert the clips because I just feel like it's scattered. I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. Yeah. Okay, anyway, this color that I'm wearing is called the Rouge Volupte Shine in number 44. I know that the iPhone focuses. I just don't know how I can get it to focus. Oh God, just take my word for it. It's number 44. This is the color. And this is the funny thing. In the store, it looked more nude. But on me, and I don't know if it's my complexion. Actually, I think on a lighter person, this would look even more. Okay. The best way I could describe it, I call this Barbie doll pink. I feel like when you pick up a Barbie doll and she's all like, right? No, it's looking more fuchsia. It's really pink. Just trust me on this. What you see here is exactly what it looks like in person. So, you know what? I think I have a backup hand moisturizer. I do! I have a backup hand moisturizer. It's by Toca. I don't know what company this is, but in Spanish, Toca means touch. And the scent on this is grapefruit cucumber. Yummy.